What did he tell you? 200,000 to go. Where?
Thought you might tell me where we're going.
Towards $200,000. Is that good enough for you?
Bell, car, son!
That's me.
You're hungry. Sit down. Eat.
Trader, you talked.
No, I didn't talk. We're going for a ride. Find $200,000. I know the name of the cemetery now. And you know the name of the grave.
Why don't we tell each other our half of the secret?
If your friends stay out in the damp, they're liable to catch a cold, aren't they?
You filthy double-crossing bastard.
Way back to town is only 70 miles. So if you save your breath, I feel a man like you could manage it.
You're not digging.
If you shoot me, you won't see a cent of that money. $200,000 is a lot of money. We're gonna have to earn it.
How?
You see, in this world, there's two kinds of people, my friend. Those with loaded guns